Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your host Avelino Lino. For today's video, we are going to make a very simple but beautiful, elegant whole body wall mirror. We will give a new looks, the best shots for this wall mirror. Stay tuned and enjoy your watching. We will begin this project after my simple shorts introduction. At first, before we go to paint this mirror, we are going to clean the surface of the mirror using the rugs, the dry rugs. Let's remove and clean the surface of the mirror. And then let's cover the mirror itself to avoid the stains of the paint on the mirror. Just cover up with a dry paper. Let's start painting. I use black charcoal paint for this project, so we're going to use also the basic method of a simple painting, the basic stroke only. So nothing to worry, just paint, cover up the whole part of the wooden part of this mirror, and that's it. This project is so very easy, so we need to only to re-upcycle to upgrade our old furniture to a new looks. Enjoy your painting. And then as you can see, I paint also the inner part, wooden part of the mirror. You will notice the linings, the good linings. I'll paint also in black, but later on I will remove it with a damp cloth so that the gold linings will appear again. So this is the details, the gold linings around the mirror. To our old friends, members, thank you so much for coming back. And to those who are new coming, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification so that you will notify on my next video. So please subscribe and leave comment. Thank you. And then let it dry about 1 or 1.5 hours. Friends, if you have old furnitures, you only have to re-upgrade, re-upcycle so that you will not buy a new one. So you have to be resourceful, and you have to be smart. You have to be do your best, the best skills you have, and then show it up simply like this.
Few moments later.
Hope you like this simple video. Hope you learned something. Thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, leave the comment. Keep safe everybody. Goodbye.